Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back, or if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We always got content coming. Well, today it's a good day. Rims and tires are here, and I'm already started putting them on. Too excited, so I didn't start a video right away. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's going on, and yeah. Oh, got one on. I already did the ceramic coat on them. And getting ready. I just put one on. I'm gonna get these kickbacks lined up, and I don't know, it's pretty new, but Northern Custom Trucks out of Sylvan Lake, Alberta. That's how they come packaged, ready to go. All the self tappers you need, foam in between, and then there's the finished product. Like, incredible quality. So if you guys are looking for some kickbacks, some custom kickbacks, you can do whatever you want basically. Go ahead, look them up. I'll leave a link in the description below, and then that way you guys can come and check him out. Look at his page and what he has done, and if you want to get in contact with him, go ahead and shoot a message. He's an awesome guy to deal with. Brett is his name. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to get them all lined up and get all these wheels and kickbacks on tonight. Alright guys, so took a little longer than I expected, but got her. So it's sitting on 22x12s, a -44 fuel blitz bronze. And it was tight. I had to do a little bit of modification to make it fit with kickbacks. With just wheels and tires alone, you'll be all right. But with the kickbacks on the front, you're gonna need to do a little bit, or even mud flaps, not even just kickbacks alone. Anything on the front, you're gonna need something or some modification to get them to fit, because you can't turn. Basically, as soon as you start getting into the fender, into the side, it wants to catch. It rubs on the inner fender liner and the kickback, and it'll rip the kickback right off. But we got her. I had to, basically there's this plastic piece down here. That piece I had to cut, and then it gave me extra room on the right in here, and it gave me more room to make it fit. So it gave me like 3/16 of an inch, and then I have it so that it's pulled back. Back with a bracket. It's not how I wanted to do it. I still got it. Now that I know that it works, I'm gonna get it all painted up, and so that's kind of blends in. But that way you can see that it's straight across. I use the factory bolts that hold the fender flare on, and inner fender liner. Works. That's how I did it on my last truck. That's how I like it. I don't like having the self tappers in there. To me, this is a lot cleaner, and it works out pretty good. And if you guys need kickbacks at all, hit up Brett with Northern Custom Trucks at Sylvan Lake, Alberta. He'll hook you up. These are killer. Like, powder coat is perfect, textured black. I got them to color match the back plates. They're a little bit dusty, but they color match, and they are like bang on perfect. Like, you can't get any cleaner than that. So it looks awesome, and I'm stoked with the way this bronze goes off the green, this tank green. So, but there you guys have it. 22x12s, -44, fits on a Ram 1500 with a 2-inch leveling kit and kickbacks. You just got to do a little bit of modification, which actually reminds me too, with that plastic piece had a push pin down right in here when it come up here, and then there's on the fender itself, there's a metal tab that that push pin locks into. I had to beat that with a hammer just to bend it up, and then that gave me the clearance so that it would push back that 3/16 of an inch, and then probably, I don't know, an 1/8, maybe even a quarter inch. It's hard to tell once you get it all off, but then back on there. But worked out awesome. So if you guys like how it turned out, hit that like button, leave a comment. Yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.